Can start, sir.
Regarding the registration of BS4 vehicles, BS4 emission norms vehicles, as per the orders of the Supreme Court, those who have already sold but not registered vehicle, as per the direction of the Supreme Court, it should be registered on or before 31/4/2020. This process is already completed. No other provisions for registration of BS4 vehicle which are sold on or before 31/3/2020.
Okay.
Okay? This is clear, no?
Yes, sir.
There is no chance. If only the court permits, that can be registered.
Okay.
It is a central rule, what they are asking. It was a central government rule or all over India. It's central government rule and it is Supreme Court ruling. It is affected throughout India.
Okay.
But the next question, before all this pandemic began, government had advised the police not to fine. Okay. This not to fine means it's not to fine. Not to fine. It's provisions of the IPC. Everybody can find the vehicle if you find mistake. But the validity of the documents due to the pandemic, no person can come to the RTO office, get it renewed. Their RC book, or they couldn't renew their insurance, and they couldn't renew their permits and their license. That should be extended for 3 months. If it is expired also, that is extended for another 3 months.
3 months.
Okay, up to June 31st.
Okay.
If there is expiry is also there during this period, it is considered as a valid for the next another meeting for June 31st. It is central government order has given. All the validities what we have given that should be expired, it will be extended up to 31st of June. Okay.
Okay.
Then Sudhanva Kulkarni. Thank you for asking, sir. One of the issue, if you could please ask, why they have duplicated all K25 registration on Dharwad, registration to Dharwad East. Okay, what this happens, no? Earlier, the vehicle they are registered in RTO Dharwad. After the bifurcation, the data is floated to the RTO Dharwad East. This office is started during 2017.
Okay.
Okay. The same data is also transferred to this office. So it is a deduplication is there. If they tell both the office, you can delete one office. Either if they want Hubli, you can keep the Hubli and you can delete the Dharwad. If you want to be in Dharwad, you can delete the Hubli and it should be that problem.
Okay.
It's a technical problem because of the data transfers. Okay. It's showing in both the offices, both the Hubli and the
Dharwad.
After that, we have shifted to this Vahan 4 software. Earlier, it is only an individual software. To all the offices, they have got an individual. Then now it has all the data is transferred to
Vahan.
one software at central server.
Okay.
That's why it is duplicated between two offices. Okay. If they get it changed, no, definitely it will happen. What is this Sunil Nalvade?
That is me only.
Check. Okay. Your name is Nalvade?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So check again in its logs. Vivek Joshi, please ask the officers why the vehicles are registered before delivery. Like in Bangalore, Mysore, no. What is that? This also happening, but here either the vehicle to be temporarily registered, only the vehicle if you purchase from any dealer or manufacturer.
Yes.
Either it should come on the road either with the
Temporary
registration or with the registration or with the trade certificate. These are the 3 clauses.
Yes.
They should bring the vehicle from the dealer to RTO office with the trade certificate. We have given trade certificate from them. That any vehicle to be come on the road to be some identification.
Some identification is a must.
Either on the trade certificate
Yes.
or on the temporary registration or on the permanent registration.
Okay.
Now the laws are changing. Now what we have, the new act has came, but it is not till now it is not implemented. The before delivery of the vehicle only they should get it registered.
Permanent registration.
Permanent registration.
Okay.
That will come
Soon.
soon.
Okay.
Okay. Because what happens now, if it is a constructive body type of vehicles, you will take HSC. Wherever he takes either a bus or a like
truck
that.
or whatever he may
That's
do
it.
it.
But in a prototype vehicles,
Mhm.
there is no such need. Immediately they can register and
Do it.
sorry, no?
Okay.
Hello. It's a mandatory provision that we made in a new act.
Yeah.
It's very safe also. We are also safe in this.
Yes. Better.
Better because there is on exchequer there is a huge loss of taxes also there in
Yes.
this
Correct.
tax involvement. That we are also very much interested. Get it registered and leave the vehicle.
Leave the vehicle. Because what happens, they do temporary registration and they never do the permanent registration at all.
What is the problem arises in your BS4 is the same.
Yes. They have not registered.
They are not at registered.
Some people are not registered for 2-3 years from BS3 era.
Still now some BS3 vehicles are plying in the road
Yes. Without registration.
without registration. Not even up to the Hubli Dharwad, okay, it's a good, that is educated mass is there. You go to our
Rural.
Karnataka and rural areas, what happens now? They have no registration at all. Even the big cars like Bench, even the you can register it anywhere in Karnataka. As per the new act, you can register, you can purchase, and you can register it anywhere in Karnataka. Okay.
Okay.
Next, I have renewed the DL the date 14/7/2000, but it is not updated in DigiLocker. So ask him, this Sharad Joshi, ask him to, because it may be renewed. The extension is given in the, but it is from the transfer of data, no? To
Yes.
the central. There is some lacuna is there. If he can, you can get it corrected.
He has to come here.
Yes. And then he should produce his documents,
Uh-huh.
the original
License.
License. You can see and you can read that card.
Mhm.
You can have all the data in that card.
Okay.
If it is correct, you can correct in the system.
So they have to visit the
Yes, yes.
RTO to get it
Yes.
done. Okay.
From which area comes under K25? No, there is no problem of area. Whichever is near,
You,
they
whichever
can
you
opt.
like, you
They
can
can
choose.
opt.
Okay.
No, the bifurcation is there, but they can go to Dharwad or they can go to
Okay.
As per the new act, there is no Somsek or Chansetti. Insurance is due because of COVID-19. Do you need to pay fine and renew it? No, that comes to that insurance company.
Check with the insurance department.
IRDC norms. Online services, okay. Online service is going on.
Yeah. That I told, no? It's open.
Sir, ask them why delay in online services. Why they asking why the online services?
Actually, online services opened only few days back, sir. It was not open. K25 and K63. Server got uploaded. I mean,
No, it is stopped actually for this COVID period.
Huh.
It is totally stopped.
other districts were there, sir, like Davangere and those
No,
things.
those who are comes under the green zone.
Huh,
no?
they were, yes.
The Sarathi is opened.
Hmm.
Sarathi, but both Sarathi and Van is opened in
Yeah.
green zone, not in orange zone.
Yes.
Our district comes under the
Orange zone.
So we have opened only Vana, Nondani,
Hmm.
not licensing related.
Okay.
Just 2 days back we have started.
You have started,
licensing.
correct.
ಬನ್ನಿ
ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ
ಬರ್ಲಿ.
ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ
ಹೋಗ್ಬರ್ರಿ ಸರ್
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಏನು
ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ ನೀವು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ರಿ ಸರ್
the same, only one thing is online. Online means it is we are on a semi-online now.
Okay.
It's we are working on both offline and
Online, both.
because our Sarthi services are completely online.
Okay.
You have to upload the documents. Need not only for verification only. We should bring the documents to the RTO office.
Okay.
Even online payment is not done in our office. Online payment is done in all the other RTO
RTOs.
offices because they are old one. No, they should be linked to the Delhi server. But everything is on online in Sarthi services. Any services if you want in Sarthi, the DL related. Sarthi means the DL related. You can get online.
Okay.
Okay. But what happened now in Vahana, that is also started now. Vahana, we have to receive only the physical papers.
Okay.
You know, now it is that is also shifted to online. Everything that you have to put online only. Transfer of
Yes.
application and registration of application and change in address. Every
Everything-
services in registration section that should also be under online. The process is going on. Already the government has made an order. You have to from 1/4/2022 it should be online only. But still now due to the technical reason it is
Yeah.
not yet happening.
So you encourage people to go do everything online.
Yes, the people should not come to the RTO office unnecessary. At least the learned peoples can also do with their work on
Yes.
that basis. It's very simple. Can upload all the documents, but physical paper should be produced before the RTO.
Yes.
That's the condition.
Only thing now payment issue has to be sorted out.
Even Vahana is the payment issue is correct. But Sarthi, that payment issue is not linked. That will be corrected.
Okay.
Okay. But all the services of Sarthi is under online only.
Online only now.
No, even you can book the slot, you can take the appointment of the licensing date, everything.
Okay.
Everything is an online only. Okay. But any you can information also will give on the your mobile service only. Will
Yes.
give the information. Okay. Details of DL and vehicle not uploaded in DigiLocker. So there is
That you said, that you have answered.
That is for this.
They have to come and verify.
Get it corrected.
Yes.
And it should be go to the because on the that floating of data from our server to the central server, there is some mistake as problem is there. Okay. Thank you for your concern. Can you get a license done in this period? You can start it now.
Yeah.
From just 2 months ago,
Yes,
2 days
yes.
back we have started. Okay. Varun Kulkarni, DL validity extended to 30 June. Okay, that is extended.
Yes.
Mahesh, it request RTO police must conduct a joint inspection against the traffic violation, but never it's organized. Day and week class cities, it is a familiar practice that terrible riding. It belongs to not only by the RTO and the police, because at the end number, you do know what is the strength of the vehicles,
Yes.
how many users of the vehicles. From this type of people, because only we will have only 2-3 inspectors, so they are not only meant for the checking, they do many number of works. The police people also, they are very much.
Sir, you have any message for the parents?
The parents that as per the new law, no, those who are below 18, if their parents allowed, they will be behind the bars. The rule is very mandatory provisions. Already 2-3 parents, they are behind the bars. If they allowed the
Their children.
to run the vehicle. So the parent, it is a responsibility of the citizens of the city. We should, because only the policing can't control the citizens. That is harsh riding and misuse of that vehicles. It should be in everybody's. We can do our duties, no problem. We will do, because the Supreme Court is asking. There is a road safety bench is there in Supreme Court. Every quarterly we should send the reports. if any increase in the accidents, we should be answerable.
Yes.
But it is not only with the police and the RTO, it is a cooperation with the public and the riders of the vehicle also. It includes everybody. Okay?
Yes.
It is everybody's responsibility to reduce that.
Exactly.
Not only with the police. But we cannot shirking our responsibilities. Our responsibility is there, huge responsibility is there. Along with that, the people are also to cooperate.
Support
with the
and
system,
cooperate.
Okay, because the infrastructure quality is not so high. The growing strength of vehicles, the infrastructure is not sufficient. Our road conditions and road width, parking facilities. The infrastructure also grow like that.
Yes.
According to the growth of the vehicle, infrastructure should be developed.
Develop.
Then lot of issues. It's in this to manage. It's not in Europe or Viranna, Baila Gadi. My two-wheeler got inspected on 4320 registration, 63Q20 read SMS, but RC and other related documents yet to be received. Please required. Okay, what happens now? The vehicle is registered. We will send in to their mobile their vehicle number. Okay, what happened now? The dealer should make a HSRP. High security number plate. Now from 1/4/2020 we have introduced high security number plate.
Okay.
High security number plate is
Okay.
there. That should be done by the dealer only.
Mm-hmm.
On that plate there is one unique code. You can't put any number plate now.
Oh.
That
Okay.
is high security number plate system has came out.
Mm-hmm.
That should be that number plate having one unique code in that.
Uh-huh.
That code it should be transferred. That can be that dealer should update in their data. Then only we can the card will come out.
Oh,
Otherwise,
till now. Then who is doing in Hubli this security number plates, or the dealer only is doing
the
it?
dealers. There is a vendor is there from the central government. That vendor they will book a
Okay.
number. So he will send the
Number plates. Oh.
In that one unique number is there.
That number
That
has
unique
to.
number to be uploaded to our one report.
Uh-huh.
Then we can print the card. Otherwise, we can have 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 cards are pending.
For want of these unique code.
Unique code.
And what about this old number plate? That's okay.
That is still it is not.
Okay, only for the new
Only
ones.
from the registered which are on or before, on or after 1/4/2020.
2020. Okay.
They should be must and they should be use this HSRP, high security number plate. It's very good. It's a new system adopted. There is any theft, anything, that only with that code you can search anywhere in India.
Yes.
It's a good system. Okay. For this only HSRP updation, it's not done in that. For that it is a delay. Okay, we'll just see. What is this? Ask your dealer if they have received a number plate. If you should get them fitted, and after they should take a photo and send it to RTOS. Okay. Either they should send it or they should update it in the system.
In the system.
That number should be updated in the system. That we can automatically it will give us a break.
I think many are not aware of this.
No. Everybody aware.
Yeah. No, I mean the public. Public is not aware, I think.
Yes. Everybody is aware.
From 1/4.
Yes.
Okay.
Gautam Singh, sir. Old polluting bus, trucks, autos, other vehicles need to be stopped. Don't know whether the PUC is really applicable to them. They polluted the entire air. Okay, this needed because today only we have got this meeting. That is Green Tribunal meeting is there today. We have cancelled about. Do you know? I am taking the data about 800 vehicles. We have cancelled the registration. Those are completed 15 years.
Okay. Commercial vehicles.
Commercial vehicle, two-wheelers, everything. So you know how many vehicles we have cancelled the registration? About 482 vehicles we have cancelled.
Oh. Okay.
Like that. But it's a government, central government policy matters, which we can't do that. Till that the policy comes, we can't. But higher polluted vehicles, even the Supreme Court is also very much anxious about this to reduce. That's why only we have brought it to the BS6 now.
Yeah, understand.
1.4. It is a less pollutant. The BS6 is equivalent to Euro 6 of Europe countries.
Yes,
Our standard is
increased.
Indian standard is increased now. In BS6, absolutely they are a good vehicles. Even the quality of the fuel is changed. For the BS6, in our old one petrol and diesel, they are not sufficient.
Yeah.
The quality of the petrol is also
Petrol is
changed.
also, fuel is also
Yes,
changed. Yes.
Yes, both are changed. Our environment conditions, our government will take a very stringent norms against this
Old vehicles,
old vehicles and pollutant
vehicles.
So that's why we have increased. At that time in the country, is it possible to affect this BS6 throughout the country on a single day?
No, not possible.
BS3 to BS4 we have taken 5 to
Jump,
6
a big
hours.
jump.
Yes. So BS6 is a good vehicle and good conditioned vehicles, less pollutant vehicles.
Yes.
It's a good one. But old vehicle the government should take up also.
Yeah.
But because there is an economic condition problem is there, everything that they have to take care of. But
ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಇದಾಗಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಇದು
ಹೋಗ್ರಿ.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವೀರೇಶ್ ಹೇಳೀನಿ ಸರ್ವರ್
sir, okay, this is the old one. Whether the active is seriously checking them, definitely we are serious. But for this huge quantity of the vehicles, the
Okay.
infrastructure checking methodology, it's also again it is also the responsibility of the common people
Public.
also.
Yes. Agree with you, sir.
Suraj Chauradi, sir, please ask them what don't any of them, either RTO nor the police department, take a serious action with the polluting vehicles, the same.
That you already said.
Goods vehicle and then polluted very badly, especially heavy trucks, buses, goods. So the BS4 vehicles, BS3 vehicles still, over the 20 years back vehicles still running in this.
Exactly.
You can't say because if they are fitted. Even we have made a norms in all the contract carriage buses. They should be below 15 years. Even school buses, they should be below 15 years. Like that, we have made some. Wherever we have a chances in our hand, we can done that. But it is a common policy of the government, what to do, what not to do. Day or tomorrow, but earlier it was the chances of coming 15 years to be totally banned. But this pandemic COVID-19 has come now.
Yeah.
Otherwise, this was a very drastic step because the World Health Organization would not allow us to take such because we are also best contributor of this highly pollutant elements to
Yes.
our environment. And comparatively, our nation is doing better compared to the other countries. Okay. The Bijapur, yes, I'm. What is a visit to a DL test on April will expire on the same month. Okay, but due to the lockdown, couldn't able extend to DL test. Just want to ask whether you can avail the same month in this possible. The same in this. Okay. What happened? No, we are already in this lockdown period. We will have the world booked slot booked candidates are there. Around about 2,000 DL slots they have taken. Around 1,800 learning license slots they have booked. Because of this COVID, it is lockdown. So we are renovating their slots now. Because of this COVID-19, earlier our daily it was 85 and 80. For learning license it was every day we are allowed us 85 candidates and DL for 80 candidates. Now we are reduced to 50 now.
Okay.
Because the huge
Yes.
flow of the people will come. Before that, what happened now? Earlier those who are booked now, they are giving the reslotting now.
Okay.
Otherwise, we are not allowing others to do now. The common, the freshers we are not allowing now. We have stopped ourselves. First, we should finish up this
Yes.
old
Old one.
persons, then we can go for it. But in this case, in his case, his learning license will be expired within that month only. That is one problem. It is a technical issue. We can put it whether that validity can be extended or not. But it's not no guidelines for us.
Okay.
Okay.
So what in this case what he has to do? He has to come to the office and
Yes, get it be renewed.
Okay.
His learning license to be again extended for 3 months. After 1 month, we can get
Okay.
his slot.
So he has to come here and get it renewed.
Get it. Because his learning license will be expired in that. Otherwise, we give the slot for him also. We
Okay.
are- every day we are shifting the slots.
Slots. Okay.
Last 23rd to this month. Every day 40 we are shifting their slots and the information will go to their mobile. They came to that's why the rush has become
Correct.
started since 2-3 days.
Uh-huh.
Okay. But we are not allowing that huge 80%. We are reduced to 50% because the huge crowd will
Okay.
appear. That's why it will take time.
Yes.
Because reduced 50%, the want of the people are more.
I know.
Okay. This thing, let him come to the office, we can see
Yeah.
what happened, what best we can do that.
Okay.
Otherwise, we can raise a complaint, whether that period should be extended or not, we can check it.
Okay.
Mustaq Bijapur is please suggesting to take action against the usage of ear horn and city limits lorries which will also silent roads. Okay, that will take. We'll take on air horns. We'll put usually cases. If you put any other cases also, we'll put one
One case,
as
air horn.
air horn. But for that, what happens? No, it is only for the namesake. In everybody's mentality should be changed. No, we should not use the horn. It's problematic. Because you know, before that, this COVID, this lockdown period, how is our Kittur Channamma circle? It is a very, in entire Hubli Dharwad, highest polluted
KC circle.
air condition is very worst in Kittur Channamma
Yes.
circle. At this lockdown period, we will have a clean air.
Yeah.
And cleans, you can soundless.
Yes. It was pin drop silence.
Yes, but it is everybody's
Responsibility.
responsibility, but also it is an earning. You can't keep idle for how many days?
Yes.
Everybody is eager to earn, eager to work, eager to do that. All this happens, but we will take care of this.
Okay.
Every day we are booking a case at this time. Okay?
Okay.
Because of this lockdown, our checking is also reduced.
Yes.
We have not done any checking because we can entangled with many number of works with this COVID maintenance, providing the vehicles, and we have done maximum work in this.
Okay.
We will have no holidays. We have done many works in this COVID-19 with the district administration, bringing these patients and shifting to the quarantine centers and everything.
Okay. Anyway, sir, thank you very much for speaking to Hubli City E Group.
Okay.
We look forward to speaking to you again.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you.